afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a shout outs for the month of July. I do this every quarter just to show my appreciation and love. I haven't been recording as I want to throughout the summer for the simple fact that it's the summer and all three of the boys are home. Sometimes they're in camp and you just have less time of availability during the summer because of all of the additional activities and work you have to do in between and also preparing for them to go ahead and get ready for the new school year. All of that do take a toll and you run out of time, energy, sleep, so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna go to like the latest videos that I have and look at the comments, which is the easiest way for me to look. So these are all the ones that I've been doing for the vlogs. I appreciate the people who do watch the vlogs for me. Everything Key, thank you for your love and support. Shion Fash Fab, she's been looking at the vlog and crazier. 1, 2, 3. Yasmin Dane, Teen David and Mon, Philly Ray, my YT BFF, who has returned back. I'm thrilled for her return and I'm able to watch the videos. It's gonna be live with Meech, and that was a wonderful return back. Ladies Likeables, Lady B, Keeping It Simple with Bridget, who I love dearly. Easy Living with Elle, who is amazing. She pulled some amazing pieces of home decor that I thought were so beautiful. Everything Key again. MC World, she always comments. She's very sweet. Love Being Tosh. I don't know how I lost Tosh, but I found I'm really thrilled. The Best Life, Colorful Mind. She did an amazing, like an envelope pouch that was so beautiful. I was like, that is amazing. It's so creative, so amazing. Pam 27 on the go. I hope you are all well. Still praying for you guys. Hope everything is going well. My aloha friend, Rana Lynn, she has returned back from vacation. She doesn't have a Dollar Tree in Hawaii, which always, makes me kind of sad that they don't have that. Hawaii should have everything else that we have here in the States. Carol Daly Sauce, Diamond 76, Home Decor on a Budget. Now that's the queen of commenting, and I think everybody's fully aware of that. She's amazing. I love her grandbabies. And her home decor, her layouts are just amazing. Crazier again, Simply Natural Belle. She's been doing really great with these hair tutorials that I'm looking at now. Selfie Belle, again Selfie Belle for the vlogs. Madame Tour, the Pink Pearl Glam Parlor. She's amazing. Pamela's World. Sharon Arugula, probably saying it wrong. Miss Catalina, she's been doing amazing with all of these 99-cent hauls and the dollar hauls, and some really fun facts of how to save is amazing. I've been watching those now. I love those segments and those series too. Diva Fashionista. She has another channel with plants, and I love plants, and she is amazing with her plant babies indoors, and I'm trying to keep mine alive that's outdoors, and it's extremely hot, so I've been following suit with what she's been doing to keep them alive. Tunky Neeland, Bobby Cat's Kitten. Oh, she did an amazing water. She did it from scratch, from some kind of foam, and just made this amazing like waterfall. And I was like, wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. Slay by a Glam Beauty, Amanda's TV show, Sasha. Hopefully Sasha comes back so I can watch her videos. She's amazing. Dr. Congo, and that is, and Miss T, the gorgeous Miss T. And that is my little shout out that I have set up for you guys. Miss Frida Yu. She's been doing amazing with her summer outfits. They are amazing. I love them. I love those summer outfits she's been rocking out throughout the spring and summer. So, and PJ Dante, she's there too. She does a lot of Fortnite now. My kids love watching. And Sharon Shy, who's amazing. And Mimi 38. I got Mimi 38. Teresa M, aka 50 Plus 2013. Slim Shell. All right, Beauty by Myra. Willa Morton. She had a vlog with her move that was so stressful. I'm just glad that she's doing a lot better. She had to leave. She had to move state to state, which was very stressful. Sherry Hines. And there you guys go. That was my nice little shout out. I'll be doing another within another quarter. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the summer. I'll catch you guys on the other side when the kids go back to school so that I can resume and return back to my rotation of things. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.